In this lung sound video, we're going to discuss pleural rubs. A pleural rub is often described as sandpaper rubbing against itself. It's a very coarse sound, it's a very noticeable sound, and typically it's only in one place. Reasons you can hear pleural rub sounds would be things like pulmonary embolism, pneumonias, or anything that is going to have inflamed surfaces in the lungs sliding against one another. That's the cause for that sound, is that sliding of the inflamed tissues across themselves.